Hello everyone, I welcome back you all again to the another video. I am Deepika S, currently pursuing my second year BE at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science Engineering from the Aryabhatta section. Today in this video, I will be discussing about the subject called data structure and its application based on the research paper on digital game based learning of stack data structure using the question prompts. This research paper is taken from the International Journal in 2019. From this research paper, we get information about the purpose of the stack, importance of the stack, and the literature survey, methodologies, and finally the results. Data structure and the algorithm is an important course in a computer science and the information technology programs applied in the all courses. The learning the data structure is a worldwide problem because of its complex nature. A game-based learning of the stack data structure using the question prompt was designed and developed and tested based on the adopted model to help the student understand the algorithm of the stacks, insert and delete operations for array implementation within a gameplay that could create a meaningful learning. Now let us see the introduction of this paper. Data structure are a ways of organizing the data in a computer which can be operated on by using the various algorithms. The main game-based learning combines the game elements with defined learning outcomes in a gameplay. It is popular because of advancement in a computer game technology, increase the number of people playing games and benefits the game itself, which makes the learning interesting and easier, thus more effective. Data structure and the algorithm have many concept elements that rules that are suitable for designing and developing the educational game. Now let us see about the stack. A stack data structure has an elastic first out structure where the values can be inserted, pushed onto a stack, or removed or popped from the stack, and the values that were pushed on the stack or most recently is the first to be popped from it. The common stack operations are pop, push, and pick. Get the top elements without removing it. Check whether the stack is an empty or not. If it is full, check whether the stack is full or not. This paper presents an alternative way of designing the data structure, which is through the question prompts to create a gameplay that leads to the meaningful learning of data structure and the algorithm with the gameplay that stimulates the algorithm of array implementation of insertion deletion operations using the last in first out principle was designed, developed and tested. Now let us see the small example on the stack data structure. An illustration showing an student interact with the stack game where the must be managed the stack operations like push and pop using the visual representation like boxes or plates stacked on the top of the each other. The correct meaning of the data structure is a linear data structure that follows the last in first out principle where mostly recently added element is the first to be removed. The common operations include like push, pop, pick. The push element, add the elements at the top of the stack, pop, remove the top of the elements and view the top of the elements without removing it. There are four phases in conducting this research. In the first phase, the literature review was done on the data structure learning. The second phase was designing the stack game based on the identified construct. This research is based on the game model by where there are the three phases: input, process, and the outcome. This model was combined with a data structure game design by which consisting of the journal game design element, game appearance, design, and the game mechanics. To design a game, some of the elements are to be followed. The first step is a game idea. Stack and the unstack the array of stones. Stimulates the insertion, push, and the deletion pop operation of array in an implementation of the stack data structure using the last in first out principle. Array implementation of the stack requires check whether the stack is full before of the each push and whether stack is empty before of the each pop. After this, the game start head up display on the top screen shows the maximum player lives and the minimum player scores and the maximum time. Next, narrates the story overview displayed under HUD. Game start after story over ended. The four empty slots are presented. The game end where the player finish with allocated time or when life or a time is equal to 0. The score increased by the 10 for each correct action and leaves and reduced by 1 of each wrong action. Game can be exited from the close button and the game window. User will be asked for the confirmation. Now let us discuss about the second algorithm, game appearance design. Some of the elements are like game graphic items with 2D, each with name, texture, size and the position. The node items which is used to visualize the one code of the algorithm data structure which is tune and the collection. A set of the similar nodes organized according to the specific rule. A collection is used to visualize the algorithm data structure which is stack of stone. Some of the playing tools are also present like stone and bomb and background musics are also present in the game. Now let us see the conclusion of this paper. This research paper, we attempted to simplify learning the array of implementation of the stack data structure operations through the game-based learning with the question prompts. Educators could see the game to diverse the teaching method and the student can use it into self-access the understanding. Testing calls for improvement in the terms of game design, appearance and mechanics.